how are you? I hope you all are fine. Myself, MD Tanyan Mashad, of a student of MBBS of first year. I tell you about Hmpv virus. What is Hmpv? Symptoms of Hmpv, equations of Hmpv. Okay. Hmpv virus is human metapneumovirus. It causes the upper respiratory disease like common cold. It affected mildly sick, but it makes some people very sick. It is first identified in 2001 around the world. Only few countries monitor and report the trend for HMPV. So we do not yet fully understand how HMPV is spread or not, like spread in which season and climate. HMPV is mainly spread in late winter and springs. It affects mainly infants and under 5 years of children and more than 60 to 65 years of adults. There is currently no vaccine license for use against HMPV, but research ongoing. Diagnosis of HMP is polymerase chain reaction PCR test. Symptoms of HMPV common and flu-like symptoms: fever, cough, sore throat, runny nose, stuffy nose, and breathing problem, chest pain. Preparation of HMPV virus: washing your hands with soap and water, use hand sanitizer, cover your nose and mouth by mask. Keep distance from those people who get affected by HMPV virus. Thank you for watching my video.